Hey guys. So today's topic is about Samsung's mid-range devices. Samsung have many mid-range mobile phones, but they do not give value for money. Samsung have their J7 Max, J7 Pro, J7 Prime, J7D UO, and many more. The list never ends. In the same price range you get many other devices of Xiaomi, such as Mi Note 5 Pro, which is rocking the market, and also the Asus Zenfone Max Pro, which is the best device you can get below 15,000. But if you are a Samsung fan, then go for Samsung's premium phones such as Note 8 or S8 and also the new S9/S9 Plus. So think before you buy in Samsung's mid-range phone. I am not saying that don't buy a Samsung's mid-range phone. Just check the specs and compare it to other devices of the same price. Thanks a lot for watching Tech Molecule. See you in the next one.